defection law added under which amendment of Indian Constitution? Answer hai 52 Amendment. Hal Divas observed which in India? Answer hai Jharkhand. Dr. Day observed July 1st honor of? Answer hai Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. A new flowering plant species named Begonia nichorum was recently discovered in which state? Answer hai Arunachal Pradesh. The GoStats mobile application is an initiative of which institution? Answer hai National Sample Survey Office, NSO. What is myogenesis, that was recently mentioned in news? Answer hai formation and development of muscle fibers. Football for Schools, F4S, program is run by FIFA in collaboration with which organization? Answer hai United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO.